Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus IS 350 versus the Audi S4. The Audi S4 generally boasts more horsepower, often around 349 HP, from its turbocharged V6, giving it a quicker sprint. The Lexus IS 350, with its naturally aspirated V6 producing about 311 HP, offers a very smooth and linear power delivery. While the S4 comes standard with Quattro all-wheel drive, the IS 350 provides both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive choices. Moving inside, the Audi S4 presents a very modern and technologically advanced cabin, often featuring its impressive virtual cockpit and intuitive MMI system. The Lexus IS 350, on the other hand, focuses on refined comfort and exceptional build quality, using premium materials throughout. While both offer excellent sound systems and connectivity, the S4 generally feels more cutting-edge with its digital displays, whereas the IS 350 emphasizes a more traditional, luxurious feel. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Audi S4 provides a more aggressive and sporty feel, with sharp steering and a firm, controlled ride, especially with its available adaptive suspension. The Lexus IS 350 offers a more refined and comfortable experience, still capable and engaging, but leaning towards a smoother daily drive. In terms of reliability, Lexus consistently ranks very high, often requiring less maintenance over its lifespan compared to many European rivals. Considering value, the Audi S4 generally commands a higher initial price, starting around $55,000, and can have more expensive maintenance over time. The Lexus IS 350 often provides better long-term value, thanks to its legendary reliability and strong resale market, with prices typically starting around $43,000. Ultimately, your decision hinges on whether you prioritize the S4's raw performance and cutting-edge tech, or the IS 350 refined comfort, dependability, and lower ownership costs. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.